Welcome. If you've ever restricted someone on Instagram and now want to give them full access to interact with you again, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to unrestrict someone on Instagram, updated for 2025. Whether it was a misunderstanding or you've just changed your mind, this guide will help you restore normal interaction with that person in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you restricted the person. Once you're on your home feed, look to the bottom right corner and tap your profile icon. This will take you to your profile page, where you can see your posts, followers, and more. Next, in the top right corner, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu button. Tap those lines to open up a list of options. From here, scroll down until you find the section labeled Restricted Accounts. This is where Instagram keeps a list of everyone you've restricted. Tap on Restricted Accounts to see the full list. You'll notice each person's username displayed clearly. Find the person you want to unrestrict. Right next to their name, you'll see an option that says Unrestrict. Simply tap Unrestrict, and that's it. You've now allowed this person to interact with you like normal, meaning they can comment on your posts, send you messages, and see when you're active. It's that easy. No need to search through complicated settings or worry about missing a step. Just a few taps and you're all set. Remember, restricting and unrestricting someone on Instagram is a private action. Instagram won't notify the person, so you can manage your interactions discreetly. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more up-to-date social media tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.